Snem barim la alai bat menterawan sa Snem Thymmai ajar phunreu Shibun kesoka gal alai hakapuli puti tau kam tau jam ki kam pendroi henrei da kam Phai khmat sekinong rep kajela kanang sadin bat klempep bun ki wan Kiew no shastra ban wat jak po na kajing sneu ka rep karyang bat kajing bumla ban pria ieu ki mari mata layo ban Ukraine ya ki brio ho kan ki Jingkhmih Lynti jengki na kam tau Snem Thymmai kham tam bak kesoka kan le na kebentak itu gibana nong kendong ga penpa bak soka kre ban Phai khmat no kham Kyrpang syaki Nongrep ban pen Phai ko komrep ko komriang khnang bikin la ban kamai kham ha bat kumju ban plilat bakin la ban de kimar kimata nama balada kam bah karep karyang kibriu na nong kendong kimban se ban Kiew syasa ban wat bela kat ba basa asra ki kminti bak soka kan pen Phai ka puli puthi ban wanra ye jaka puli ba pher pher khnang bak samla puli Kim om don kam shu ban le shaba
Yakini
Diba ada berarti ibat kata naliang jongi nawangi dena sa nongkendong mo sa khat arsunong te bun hi ki ba abi Phai khamtam makayo kakot kaduna namar kumolong mentahi gimarep bun giba takdon mo ni kinong rep ngidap la sensar bat cuy tengok dah bengi Phai ban pej teng baki kayo kahat apa ki mar ki mata jongi kinong rep ki hedor kim Kiew dot ti kamot non na ingin yok samo ban sit ban ta tertel mo don kam ki nong rep ting ibu jingkat pat hi sarkar baleng bonus nem Thymmai arja penriu mo bahkan berkat lem bat kanonra let's say ki sistem ki Thymmai loba ginala penya yau ki marep pengirep terkomju wanra aru ya karoi kapar ki dan kam jongi ki Nongrep bat kinong song hi korapoi
going on actually some of these soccer see they have given the shelter inside the Muda market also. That is very nice step taken by government.
So how many?
Actually, say there is lots of demand. I want actually see here Shillong people, no, they are going outside to study. Actually, I want that they should study here, and the money will remain here. Actually, unless they are going to expenditure, they are going outside the state. I want that development must be there. Actually, some more medical college and all.
Yes.
I need actually. That's why. Other very related to public actually. Medical college and other engineering college. If government will set up here, no, then people of Meghalaya will take advantage and they will facilitate, and the money also will remain here. Actually, tourism will be attracted.
Yes.
Tourism will be attracted.
Little bit good. Little bit good. Not too high, not too low. Comparatively, it's okay.